Well, the catalytic converter is not clogged up on this car. I thought for sure I was going to find a clogged up catalytic converter, but that is not the problem. It actually looks pretty good, which is kind of good news. I mean, it's not got a little bit of soot on it, but it's not really outrageous considering it's been on there for a while. I'll move on to the next problem. The exhaust system, the two mufflers and the Y pipe, that's virtually doesn't even have probably, I doubt it even has 500 miles on those, so I don't know. That doesn't help me solve the problem. So I'll have to move on to the next. Move on to the next test. I'm just hoping it's not somewhere in the transmission. It seemed like it was shifting pretty good. I don't know. Run some more tests on it tomorrow.